Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to create Laravel application in local machine in this tutorial. I'm going to create an application using the composer. I hope you're familiar with the composer. But let me explain what is the composer. Composer is a dependency manager for a PHP. Composer will manage all of the dependency of your projects. Just let me type composer into the Google and download it from here, and you can download composer from here and click here for the setup, and let me store it and go to the download and setup and install for the user. Let's try to install it. Next, and select your PHP path from here. Go to the your WAMP directory into the bin PHP and select PHP from here and go to the next, and you need to confirm the PHP version for the installations and add this PHP to the path and go to the next and use no need anymore and install composer into the this path and let me install it, and composer install successfully. Let me open the editor and type the composer, and you can see here composer version 2.0.9 is installed today. So now composer is ready for the use, and let me create Laravel application. We can create Laravel application using composer two way. Let me show you how we can create it, and the examples given here. We can create Laravel application using this way, and second way is using the Laravel installer. So let me create application first using this command composer create project Laravel and specify the Laravel application name. So let me copy this command and type here composer create project Laravel and specify name of the Laravel application Laravel app demo. Laravel application successfully created. Let me show you the Laravel app demo, and you can see here everything set up done by the Laravel. And let me create one more application using Laravel installer, but we need to install globally the Laravel installer using the composer. So we need to fire this command composer global require Laravel slash installer. So let me clear the console and fire it here in my PC, and I show you how to create the Laravel application using the Laravel installer. So let me install Laravel installer in my PC. Laravel installer installed successfully into my PC. Now we can create application using Laravel command. Laravel new and specify the name of the application. Let me specify Laravel app installer demo, and let me create Laravel application. You can see here Laravel application created successfully. Let me show you into the directory, and here is the Laravel app installer demo application created with the all required things by the Laravel. We will learn the directory structure and configuration into the next tutorial. Thank you for watching a video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel for new video. Thank you.